About supper time last night, this clock gets dropped off at my door. Solid oak. But it's got a problem. You can't wind it. It won't stay wound. But I know what's wrong with it. The reason I know is because I made this clock probably 25 to 30 years ago. Now, in 1987, I made a clock for my mom and dad. Okay, we obviously know where the clock came from, but you know, I don't remember when we
Yeah,
bought
it was 1987.
1987?
Yeah, I remember very well.
And the movement that I put in mom and dad's clock is identical to this. And I've got it here. I'll show it to you. I know what the problem is because the same thing happened to mom when dad had passed away by then. And after about 25 years, she couldn't wind her clock either. You may have noticed I drink a lot of Folgers coffee because I like the cans. Anyway, what happens is the click spring comes off of the click, and then the click won't stop the ratchet. Anyway, I think you probably understand what's happening. So I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing with this clock that I did with mom and dad's. By the way, this is the daughter's clock now. And I'm going to put in a battery movement, a chiming battery movement. I've had 3 or 4 of this particular movement in the past, and I'm very happy with them. So I ordered another one this morning. Here, let me get rid of this. Yeah, so probably in a week or so the battery movement's going to come, and get another little series going here, and it'll give me a bit of a break from my big project that I'm doing here that's probably going to run into after the new year. Yeah, just let you know what's going to be happening. Thanks for watching.